Create a spin transition in After Effects. 2 model clips on the timeline. Right click, new adjustment layer. Apply an effect called motion tile and transform. Go to where the cut of the 2 clips are and then move about 10 frames back. Keyframe the rotation and then do the same for the other side. And then type 360 on the rotation, and it's done 1 full rotation. Change the shutter angle to 180 and then uncheck use composition shutter. Press U on our keyboard to reveal the keyframes, highlight them, right click, keyframe interpolation, Bezier. Go to the speed graph editor, pull these 2 points down to base level, and then we're just going to make this camel hump effect towards the cut. So it's going from slow to fast and fast to slow, like so. And I'm just going to option open bracket, option close bracket to trim the adjustment layer to this section here. Now we have the rotation animation, but we have these black edges here. So this is where the motion tile comes in. I'm going to increase the output width to about 200 and the output height to 250 and select mirror edges. And voila, we have our spin transition. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.